Today, I'm going to show you how to quickly fix a squeaky door. All you need to fix it is some sort of lubricant and a dry cloth. Simply spray the door's hinges with lubricant and wipe away the excess with your cloth. It's still squeaky. Apply more lubricant. Wipe away the excess. Apply more lubricant. Wipe away the excess. Apply even more lubricant. Wipe away the excess. Apply even more lubricant. Perfect! The door is no longer squeaky. Apply more lubricant. You don't need doors. Look how much quicker it is to enter a room when it doesn't have a door.